This is a model of Pascaline mechanical calculator. It was invented by Blaise Pascal between 1642 and 1645. This is a calculator that is used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition and subtraction. It is not programmable. Now let's see an example of adding two numbers using Pascaline calculator. Let's add 76 and 34. First, turn the gear in the ones place digit 6 times in the clockwise sense and the gear in the tens place digit 7 times. After we can see the number 76. Now to add 34, turn the gear in the ones place digit 4 times and the gear in the tens place digit 3 times. We can see our answer 110. Now let's see an example of subtracting two numbers. Let's subtract 20 from 82. To perform this, arrange the number 82 in the gears. Now to subtract 20 from the 82, turn the gear in the tens place digit 2 times in the anti-clockwise sense after arranging 82. Now we can see our final answer 62.